So today I'm gonna teach you how to make a sample dialog or alert dialog. So delete this first. Put a button, double click. So the text sample dialog. Enter. So in the Java, so register our button. Don't forget the semicolon. Alt enter. Context. So context, it allow access to application specific resources and classes, as well as app calls for application level operations such as launching activities, broadcasting, and receiving intents. So we can see what it can make for application later. Don't forget the semicolon. It can cause error. So button, let's make some listener to make it clickable where we can put our dialogue. New on click listener, enter. So it would be look like this. Alert dialog builder. So the context, alert dialog builder. So it create an alert dialog that uses the default alert dialog theme. So after this, let's put the title of our dialog. So the title was the upper part of our dialog box. So this is a sample dialog. So semicolon. Again, alert dialog builder. Enter. That set message. So click. Let's click yes to agree. Set cancelable false to avoid the cancelable part. So the positive one, the set positive button. So make it yes. We can see the yes button as the as represents the positive button. We can see the yes. So new dialog interface dot on click listener to make some action. So bracket enter. So public void on click. So this is where let's make a toast message for the yes button. It dialogue. So after this, the set negative button. So when so the negative one was the no, as it represents new dialogue interface dot on click listener. So again the bracket, enter, public void on click. Again bracket, dialogue that cancel. So when the user click no, it shows nothing. So add semicolon. So to make the dialogue visible, so this is all the codes for making the sample the alert dialog or dialog. So when we run, okay, so it takes a while. By the way, I'm using again the BlueStacks. So it takes a while to run the application. So when it run to the BlueStacks, it would be look like this. So when we click the button, it shows the dialog. So the title, the message. So no, nothing else happens. So when we click the yes, it shows the dialog. And it shows in the code the dialog, the title, the message. So thank you for watching.